wanted a salad that won't wilt right away. You know, something that's not a slaw, not a mixed baby lettuce delicate thing, something that'll get sturdy, and something that would be delicious the next day if you wanted to put it on a sandwich or, you know, a toast with a little bit of cheese or something. So what I've got here is a bulb of fennel, very thinly sliced, and I saved some of the fronds, the little lacy tops. And this is sugary and sweet and slightly licoricey in flavor. And then I have nice, refreshing celery with its leafy tops, cut thin on a bias. And then something to spice it up. I have these beautiful watermelon radishes, or these are just your straight up red radishes. And I'm gonna cut these into pretty sticks. So we've got spice, we have something refreshing and citrusy, and we have that fennel, that sweet, sugary, licoricey flavor. And then we're going to add our fronds, just a handful. You don't have to go nuts with those, it's just pretty little lacy finish. A little bit of parsley. And then the dressing is just lemon juice, olive oil, honey, and a little salt and pepper. Just delicious and clean and refreshing, and the longer it sets, the better it gets. And then right when I serve, I put a little flaky sea salt up on top. Excellent, delicious.